Hello students, I Dr. Anjana Rita Khalko, Assistant Professor, Department of Dragna Guna, CBPACS, New Delhi, welcoming you all in the continuation of e-learning classes. Hope you all are doing well in your home. Today we will discuss the plant Ushir. Introduction. According to Bhavprakash Nighantu, Ushir is the root of Viran, and Viran is botanically Vetiveria zizanoides. It belongs to the family Poaceae and commonly it is known as khaskhas. Vetiver means root that is dug up, and zizanoids means by the riverside. So this is the plant which is very much need to the water, and it is available in nearby the water area. The roots are used in dysuria, urinary retention, acts as diuretic, and used in burning sensation. It is also used in gastritis, neuropathy, burning sensation in eyes. It relieves tiredness and fatigue. It is useful in neuralgia, paralysis, constipation, bloating, etc. The roots are used to treat intestinal parasite, fever, skin diseases, and poisonous stings. The extraction of roots are used in insomnia, anxiety, depression, etc. The root extractions is used in medicine as well as in perfumery. Nomenclature. The Latin name is Vetiveria zizanoides L and family is Poaceae or Gramineae. English name is khaskhas grass and Hindi it is known as khas. Vernacular names. In Urdu it is called khas. In Punjabi, panni or khas. In Gujarati, sugandhi valo or valo. In Assamese, ushir or virina. In Bengali, Venaramulla or khaskhas. In Kannada, Mudivalla or Balada Beru or La Mancha or Balade Beru. In Malayalam, Ramashyam, Vetiver, Lamajja, Ramacham. In Marathi, Bala or Vala. In Oriya, Ushir or Benasera. In Tamil, Vetiver or Vilamishawar. In Telugu, Vetivelu or Vetiveru. According to Bhavaprakash Nighantu, Viranasya tu moolam swadu ushiram naladham cha tat amrinalam cha sevyam cha samgandhikam ityapi. The root of Virat is known as Ushir, and this is sweet in madhur in rasa, and the synonyms are Nalad, Mrinal, Sevyam, and Samgandhik. Ushiram Pachanam Shitam Stambhanam Lagu Tiktakam. The karma of Ushira is Pachan and Stambhan, and the guna is Laghu, the rasa is Tikta, and it is Shitavirya. Madhuram Jvara Hridavantim Madhunu Tukaf Pittahrit. Trishna Ashra Vish Visarpadaha Krichra Vranapaham. It is Madhur Vipak and it is used in Ajvara, Hridarog and Trishna, bleeding disorders, the Ashra and the Vish Visarpa, the skin diseases. Daha, Krich, Vranapahan, and in the wound. Synonyms are Naladam, Sugandhika, and Samgandhika. These all names are given because it gives a pleasant odor. Sheath Mulakam, because of the Sheath Virya, this is the name given, Sheath Mulakam. Ushiram, because it gives the complexion, it gives the enhancement of complexion. Bahumulam, Bahumulam, because Bahu means many, Mool is root. It contains many roots, and because of this morphology character, it is given the name Bahumulam. Varitara, Varitara, because it grows in watery places. And Amrinala, because the stems are like that of Kamal or lotus. Classical categorization. In Charak, Ushir is included in Daha Prashaman, Stanya Janan, Chardi Nigrahan, Shukra Shodhan Mahakashai, and Varnaya Mahakashai. In Kandugna Mahakashai, the term Nalad is indicated. But in Kandugna Mahakashai, according to Chakrapani, Nalad is, in the name of Nalad, the plant Jatamansi is taken. Shushrut is included Ushira in Eladi Gana and Sarivadi Gana. And in Bhavaprakash Nighantu, this plant is included in Karpuradi Varga. Distribution. Vetiver is native to India. It is distributed in India, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, from Southwest Asia to tropical Africa. In India, it is found throughout the plains and lower hills, especially on the banks of rivers and rich marshy soil. Ushir consists of dried, fragrant, fibrous roots of a densely tufted grass, and the clusters of wiry roots are present. Morphology. It is a perennial aromatic grass that grows up to 2 meters in height. This picture shows the whole plant of Ushir, Vetiveria zizanoides. Roots. The roots are thick, fibrous, adventitious roots which is aromatic. The roots grows downwards up to 2 to 4 meters in depth. Stout, and the roots contains oil with fragrance. The roots that possess the following characteristics have good oil content. It should be slightly reddish brown. Expose a hard surface when the skin is peeled off, and it is thick, hard, long and wiry, and give a very bitter taste when it chewed. Leaves. The leaves are linear, narrow, erect, grassy, glabrous, with scarbid margins, 20 to 60 centimeter long and 0.5 to 1 centimeter broad. Flowers. The inflorescence is a panicle up to 20 to 45 centimeter, and it bears numerous racemes in a hole on a central axis. Vetiver produces brownish purple hued flowers. One floret in spike is bisexual and sessile. The fruits are oblong grain and the other spikelets is pedicelled and staminate. Ras Panchak, the ras is Tikta, Guna is Laghu, Vipak is Katu, and Virya is Shita. Chemical constituents. It contains essential oil and the main components of essential oils are delta selenin, beta vetispirine, beta vetivenin, trans eudisma, vetiseleninol, eremophila, husimol, eremophila, isonuctactol, etc. The important compounds that impart the characteristic vetiver odor are husimin, delta selenin, beta vetivenin, cyclocopacamphene, vetiseleninol, hushimol, isovalenacinol, hushimon, alpha vetivon and beta vetivon. The chemical profiles of the oils are comparable to Haitian vetiver oil. Karma. The karma of Ushira is Pachan, digestive, Stambhan, astringent. It is Jvaragna, antipyretics. It is help in reducing the sweating, that is Swedopnayan. It is Dah Prashaman. It is helpful in reducing the burning sensation. Tvak Doshahara. It is beneficial in skin diseases. Stanya Janan. This is galactopoietic. Chardi Nigrahan, anti-emetic. Shukra Shodhan, purification of bringing normalcy of semen. And Varnya, that is complexion promoter. Indications. It is indicated in Unmad, that is epilepsy, burns, that is Daha, Jvara, that is fever. It is indicated in Visha, that is poisoning, Vrana, in wound, mother. It is indicated in Dorgandhya and Vrishik Dansha, that is scorpion stings. Therapeutic uses. In Charaka, it is used in Jwara. The Shadangpaniya preparation from Mushta, Parpataka, Ushir, Chandan, Udiche and Nagara is used in fever and thirst. This is given in Charak Chikitsa Sthan, 3rd chapter. And again in Chikitsa Sthan, Charak Chikitsa Sthan, 4th chapter, it is used in Rakta Pitta. The Ushir, Kaliyak, Lodra, etc. mixed with equal sandalwood and sugar taken with rice water. Next, in Charak Chikitsa Sthan 20 chapter, it is indicated or used in Vaman. Ushir and honey is given to check thirst and vomiting. The useful part of Ushir is root and the doses are in the powder form it is 3 to 6 gram. And in him or cold infusion it is 25 to 50 ml. In the form of Arka 25 to 50 ml. And in the form of infusion it is 50 to 100 ml. Some formulations of Ushir are Shadang Kwat Churna, Shadang Paniya, Ushiradi Churna, Ushiradi Kwat, Ushirasava, Ushiradi Tel, etc. Traditional uses of vetiver zizanoides. It helps to lower the appearance of dark spot and marks on skin. It tones out the skin. The people of West Bengal and Bihar use the roots to treat snake bites, burn and scorpion stings. The root decoction is used for the weakness. The paste made from roots is used to treat rheumatism, headache and sprains. The stem decoction is useful or helpful for the infections on the urinary tract. In Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh, the plant is used for the anthelmintic properties. In Madhya Pradesh, the juice extracted from leaf is used as an anthelmintic. It helps to treat dysuria, fever, fatigue, burning sensation and skin disorders. It is used in Ayurvedic medicine for the treatment of arthritis, sprains and muscle pains. Precautions. The pregnant and breastfeeding women should not use the plant Ushira or the preparation of Ushira because it might lead to miscarriage. Thank you. Hope you all are well in your home. So stay home, stay safe.